So 3 steps or lessons that I learned along the way in order to find the perfect lashes for myself when I started my brand are as follows. Hi, I'm Katie from Beautiful Wands. I help lash artists just like you perfect your craft and build your business. So when I started my brand, I just wanted to get as many products out as quickly as I could. I didn't really understand that there was a difference in quality depending on where you went and how to even look for that. So 3 steps or lessons that I learned along the way in order to find the perfect lashes for myself when I started my brand are as follows. Lesson 1, samples, samples, samples. You need to make sure that you're getting tons of samples from different manufacturers. The reason why you want to do this is you want to check for the quality of the products. You also want to make sure that you exude tons of confidence to these manufacturers. They deal with people all day long, and so they tend to take advantage of people if you don't exude confidence and tell them exactly what you need. Lesson 2. Make sure that you have the time and the capital in order to pick the best types of lashes for you. With all these samples that you're getting, you want to make sure that you have the right curl, the right strip, the right color, the right product for you. You need to take the time to go through all the different samples and see which ones are the best for you. Lesson 3. Now this is really important. You've gone through all these different samples, right? And you have your, let's say, top 3. When you go through these samples, I want you to place small orders with these manufacturers. The reason for this is because manufacturers are notorious for sending you great samples, and then once you place an order, the product goes downhill with quality. By placing small orders and small batches, you get to 1, figure out if you can work with this manufacturer, if you have good communication back and forth, and 2, to ensure that even with bigger, larger orders, you're still getting the same quality product. Oh, and one more thing, always pay with PayPal. PayPal has great protection for you as a customer on your end. You never know what's going to happen, especially with these companies from overseas, so make sure you're protecting yourself. After searching high and low for premium lash products and supplies, I realized I could help other lash artists by creating a single hub of products that I have already vetted and trust. It's crazy that 3.5 years ago at my kitchen table, this little lash wand has multiplied into a business and brand. Let's take a look at what we got. Custom aftercare products with your logo, lash trays, pro-made lashes, volume lashes, classic lashes, amazing tweezers. We also have accessories. We're proud distributors for Ruthie Bell and Prolong. And of course, your custom wands, right where we started. All of this can be found on our website, www.beautifulwands.com.
Thanks for watching. If you tried any of these products, please comment down below with what you think.